going on?
What is preparation? They know you need.
It started.
Go.
He's got 20 bird peppers, by the way.
Remember
20.
me, guys? Yeah. Fuck you guys.
Us three, we're gonna take bird peppers at once. So put it in.
He's taking one.
He's taking one, she's taking one, he's taking 20.
He's taking 20.
Fucking
Ready?
crazy ass nigga.
Okay, ready? Just chew it. 1, 2, 3.
Give it a few seconds, you know?
I know. I was.
Swallow it and let it. I'm gonna laugh if you built up an immunity to it, Nikki. You're like, this is nothing.
Is it
Or
emotional?
James, if James built up an immunity to it already. Run to the bathroom if necessary.
Quickly.
It's hot, isn't it? It's hot. He's feeling it. He's ready to make
It's
that.
hot.
Yeah.
This nigga took
Those
Oh
are bad
my
numbers.
God.
20 fucking peppers, dude.
Those are bad.
Oh boy. I can't watch this, man. It even hurts me to watch. Damn, James is taking
One
it like a
pepper.
man. He's like,
I can't swallow.
there's too many of them,
That's a
man.
good thing.
There's too many of them, that's why.
How is it, Nikki? How is it? How is it?
Leave me alone.
Yeah?
Don't bother me.
You gotta keep your eye on James. He's like,
If you throw up
he's a
guns,
fucking rock.
20 man. I know. What the
He's a
hell?
rock.
I can't swallow.
Somebody open it. Oh, open that up for him.
You can't swallow apples. There's too many of them.
Too many.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That doesn't look right. He needs another napkin. Yeah. Just hold it towards the bag. For sure.
Dude, it's
No, I
all,
just need another napkin.
it's all over your face.
I know it's all over my
Just
face.
give him the napkin.
It looks like you did a
Take that. Take that.
donkey show.
Now.
Donkey show.
Oh man. They're all over my face.
I'm not staying here.
Alright, there's too many.
that's what she said.
You okay, baby?
No.
I think 10 is, 20 is a little overboard.
I swallowed a little bit of it.
Alan.
You know that's hot, dude.
Oh shit.
But it's so good.
Dude, it came out of my nose.
You okay?
Baby, alright?
It toasted my nose.
Ice?
It hurts. I couldn't breathe. And this kid, he did push-ups. The man did push-ups.
Ice or milk?
I'll never again eat a spicy
Give her some soy milk, dude. It really helps.
Babe, do you want
Like,
pepper.
Come on. Hold it on.
yeah. I got you.
The bad man.
Okay, I'm gonna go bother someone else with the camera.
Silk milk, I'm sorry.
I want someone to smile.
You okay, James? What the hell, man?
Maybe he's
Screw
having
you.
a reaction like you. I think he's having a delayed
Late reaction. Yeah, I was like 5 minutes in the bathroom trying to piss. You
My
okay?
mouth.
I know.
I could have feel my nose. And I still kind of can.
Everything is fucking running.
Can't even swallow.
Your sinuses are.
Dude, oh my god, you wiped that
He's
stuff on
so
your eyes,
red.
you're scarred.
Yeah, be careful.
No, you didn't have to.
Oh, it's a different one.
Dude, you look like you just smoked.
Oh my god, you're crying?
Yeah, I am crying.
Yeah, everyone cried. You were all like,
Oh man.
It's really bad, man.
It's very emotional.
It's like
This is a
my
very
nose
emotional
won't stop
experience.
running. Wow.
oh my god.
Y'all niggas is crazy.
Ah. It's all the way in the back of my throat. Right now.
That's bad.
No, look, you guys.
Look who's at the sink now.
No, I'm not vomiting like you though.
Oh, I know, yeah.
Yeah, but then again, 10.